Good morning, one and all. It's me, N.K. Jha, your teacher of English, and I'm going to tell you why we are here on this platform that is getting popularly, very much popular these days, and that is known as online platform, and it's of your own platform of Achievers Points. So as a matter of fact, it is very much important for those who are willing, who really wants to do something. Always remember, if you want to do something, for sure you will find a way. And if you don't want to do something, you will find an excuse. So let's start one voyage for class 12th CBSE English Core 301. Let's start. Bell begun is half done. So let's know first syllabus. Full marks have been reduced for the last 2 years. It is of 80 marks and duration 3 hours. The questions will be from all the 3 sections, namely reading skill, it will be of 20 marks. How so? It is section A, and in A1 there will be a passage of 400 to 500 words length, and the question will be objective. It will be multiple choice questions, true false, fill in the blanks, etc. On the basis of your reading, you will have to answer the questions as follows. The pattern will be like this. So there will be 5 questions into 2 marks. 10 questions into 1 mark plus 2 marks vocabulary. Means you will have to find the word that will be equivalent to the words given in the passage. Otherwise you will have to find the word that's the antonym that was given in the passage. So total marks will be 12 marks from the first passage. A2, the section is A and question number 2. There will be one more a passage of 300 to 400 words length, and the question will be note making plus summary and title, means heading. Note making 5 marks, summary 2 marks and title 1 mark. All total 8 marks. So 12 and 8 is equal to 20 marks. We can see it here. Section A. Now section B. Before we should start section B, please note down in your notebook. Okay? Section B, known as advanced writing skill, that will be of 30 marks out of 80 marks. It is always important how much you have improved your writing skill. Only that much marks you are going to score in your annual examination, in your board examination. Remember, it's a skill. Nobody is going to pocket you. It's you that will have to improve your writing skill. It will work for you anywhere, not only for your upcoming exams, as well as in your day-to-day life. So let's start. Advanced writing skill, 30 marks. Section B, 1, means question number 1. The teaching items will be notice or advertisement, poster, invitation, etc. It will be of 4 marks and word length will be 50 words. Question number 2. Letter. Formal, informal. Now it's of 6 marks only, and word length will be 150 words. One thing more to say, notice, advertisement, poster, invitation means the teaching items will be all these, but in annual examinations there will be only 2 questions out of these all 4 items, in which you will have to answer 1 out of 2. One question will be notice and 1 from these all 3, means the total questions will be 2, in which you feel opted, you will have to opt that. A letter, formal and informal, it will be of 6 marks, 150 words, words length, words barrier. We will discuss it in the classes just after this. B3 means section B, writing skill, and question number 3 will be article writing or visual, verbal, as well as it may be from factual description. Eight marks. Word length will be 150 plus 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2 means there will be 2 questions out of B3 in which we have to write only 1. Question number 4th, B4th, it will be report writing or debate or speech writing. Once more, it will be of 8 marks. Word length same. The way of asking questions will be the same as article writing, means 1 out of 2. From all these 3, there will be only 2 questions in which we have to opt only 1, in which we feel bolder than ever. So this is the advanced writing skill section, and the total number will be 8, 16 and 26. Sorry, it will be of 10 marks. It will be of 10 marks. Letter is of 10 marks. And the total marks is 30. Note it down. The third section, section C, it will cover your literature. It will be of 30 marks. How so? There will be 2 books, Flamingo and Vistas, that will have to purchase NCERT, pure bred NCERT, only NCERT. There will be 2 sections of literature, Flamingo, prose and poetry section. From prose, it will be 10 marks, poetry, once again 10 marks, and from Vistas, it will be 10 marks. So, I should jump to the conclusion. Reading skill 20 marks, writing skill 30 marks, literature 30 marks, all total 80 marks. And in detail we'll learn from section A, reading skill, from the next class. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.